Hello students, I am back again with the same chapter naming our clothes, the kind of clothes we wear in different seasons, right? So in my previous videos you can see me discussing the entire topics of this chapter naming our clothes. In this video you will find me doing question answers beside doing MCQs, true and false statements. But before that I will go ahead and put focus on important points. First point is clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, जो हमारे कपड़े हैं वो हमें गर्मी, बारिश और ठंड से बचाते हैं. Okay, and we wear different type of clothes according to different seasons. So according to seasons we put on clothes. Okay. Cotton cloths keep us cool, okay, and we wear cotton cloths during summer season, whereas we wear woolen cloths during winter season to keep our body warm. And if we talk about silk are obtained from silkworm. And if we talk about raincoats and umbrella, we generally use raincoats and umbrella during rainy season to protect us from getting wet in the rain. Okay, now synthetic cloths are durable and attractive than cotton cloths. Okay, so this is how this chapter is completed. Now coming to question answer section. People wear clothes to cover their bodies. Okay, clothes. So this one, three options. People wear clothes to cover three options. First option is correct, bodies. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, now cotton cloths keep us cool. Okay, now both of them are man-made cloths, natural, synthetic, both are man-made cloths. Okay, and now coming to this 5, synthetic cloths are durable and attractive than cotton cloths. Okay, now coming to true false, cotton makes us look worse. This statement is false. Now coming to second, there are 3 main types of seasons in a country. True. Third, some woolen cloths are raincoats and gumboots. That is false. Okay, some woolen cloths. So raincoats and gumboots are not made up of wool. So this statement is false. Now coming to fourth, natural fabrics are made of animal and plant-based fibers. This is true. Fifth, synthetic cloths are durable and attractive than cotton cloths. Okay, so this statement is true as well. Okay, now coming to fill in the blank section. Clothes make us look smart. We wear different types of clothes according to different seasons. We get cotton from cotton plants. Now raincoats and umbrella protect us from getting wet in the rain. Okay, now we wear fancy dress on the special occasions, right? Now coming to question answers. What do the clothes protect us from? So answer is here. We have the answer. So clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Now coming to question 2. How many types of seasons are there in a country? So there are basically 3 types of seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. Okay, now what do we wear in winter season? So we wear woolen cloths during winter season. What type of clothes do we wear on special occasions? So the answer would be we wear party wear and fancy dresses on special occasions, right? Now coming to 5, name 2 types of synthetic fibers. The answer would be polyester and rayon are the 2 types of synthetic fibers. Now coming to section E. Why do we wear clothes? So the answer would be we wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold and rain. Okay, now why do we wear cotton cloths? Describe it. So the answer would be we wear cotton cloths during summer season as it keep us cool. Okay, now coming to third, why do we use an umbrella in the rainy season? So the answer would be umbrella protect us from getting wet in the rain. Coming to question 4, Describe natural fibers in your own words. So the answer would be natural fibers are made from animals and plants such as cotton, silk and wool. Okay. So this one, natural fibers are made from animal and plants such as cotton. So here I left from. Okay, so this one. So नेचुरल फाइबर्स जो होते हैं बेसिकली किससे बने होते हैं, वो जानवर से और पौधों से बने होते हैं, और वो क्या होते हैं नेचुरल फाइबर, जैसे कॉटन, सिल्क और वूल, राइट। अब बात आती है क्वेश्चन 5 की, ठीक है। डिस्क्राइब सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स इन योर ओन वर्ड। सो द आंसर वुड बी सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर मेड एंड प्रोड्यूस्ड एंटायरली फ्रॉम केमिकल्स, ठीक है। एग्जाम्पल जैसे पॉलिस्टर एंड रेयन। Okay, so this is all about this chapter, and this chapter is concluded with question answers done in this video. Now in my next video you will find me discussing chapter 4, naming our house, along with discussing question answer section. So this is all for today in this video. Have a blessed day.